Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have the Less's folding camping table. This thing is actually pretty cool. So it basically ships just like this. It comes in, when we got it, it arrived in basically like a plastic bag with a label on it. But so that's the base. So it pops out pretty quick, nice and easy like that. And we'll put that down on the floor. I'll come back to it. And then this is the tabletop. So, I mean, it's a pretty large surface. It has cup holders in it. And what you do is it has these little tension hinges back here. So you are basically just pushing them out. And then you're basically good to go with that. So let's put it on the top. So I like this because it's pretty easy to line up. You want to line up each side. So you're going down and it basically kind of like, you'll feel it kind of like click into place. This side. Snaps there, snaps there. And the last one's a little difficult. Just line it up, and then you're good to go. But you got a nice little surface there. You got your cup holders. This is great for playing cards while you're camping around a campfire. And it's got that like little shelf that you can put stuff on as well. So that's a great little camping accessory. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.